Fuck. Hey, get out, get out. Get out, here, this way, this way, this way.
Ever see someone drive like they've got 9 lives and nothing to lose? These aren't just chases, they're split-second fights for survival. From reckless shootouts mid-pursuit,
get the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
to cops hanging out windows mid-chase.
Get car! Stop the f***ing car, man!
We're diving into the most disturbing police chases ever caught on Bodycam. Let's get into it.
You have 100 block. Get out of the car. You guys, somebody tell the street the wrong way. Turn off the wrong way. We got a unit sitting right at the green light. Doing absolutely nothing.
On February 8, 2023, a Baltimore cop spots a stolen black Hyundai Sonata near North Patterson Park Avenue. He flips the lights on, but the driver's got other plans, and the city streets become his personal getaway route.
Let me get on the ad. Westbound, Sinclair, approaching Wolf.
When you're flooring it at 100 miles per hour with a cruiser glued to your bumper, you're not escaping, you're just delaying the inevitable.
Southbound.
One wrong turn, one blind spot, and boom! 2 cars smashed into a building so hard the front wall gave up and collapsed like cardboard. That's not just a crash, that's a demolition.
Let me see it! 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 Let me see it!
No time for shock or sympathy. One officer's already shouting commands through the dust, while the other scrambles to check if anyone in the second car is still breathing. It's chaos, split-second decisions, and zero room for hesitation.
Let me see it!
And just when you think it couldn't get worse, a pedestrian is caught in the blast zone. 1 second they're walking by, the next they're under a rain of bricks and twisted metal. Absolute nightmare fuel.
Come on. Same way, 995.
On May 20th, 2023, a man was gunned down in broad daylight at a car wash. Moments later, a black SUV floors it. And just like that, Vegas turns into a high-speed war zone.
Still in drive.
Trying to get 50 foot over down.
First still in drive.
When 3 cops are squinting into a running car like it's a vending machine that ate their dollar, you know something's about to go sideways.
See a gun in on his lap.
What?
See a butt of a gun on his lap.
All right.
And just like that, the tension spikes. One glimpse of the gun, and now it's no longer a welfare check. It's a standoff with the safety off. It's that eerie calm, like they're all waiting for the car to breathe first. Eyes locked, hands ready, nerves coiled tighter by the second.
All right, let's wake him up.
That's the moment everything shifts. The calm breaks. One officer rolls up with that "let's do this" energy. And just like that, they go from observing to engaging. You can almost feel the tension snap.
Don't move! Don't move! Put your hands up! Let me see your hands!
Hands up, police!
Oh, let me see other hands! Keep your hand
Hands
raised!
up!
Keep your hand up!
Hands up!
That's when the switch flips. Flashlights turn into firearms, and calm commands turn into shouted orders. The whole scene goes from tense to explosive in seconds.
Put your hands up! Unlock the door, put your hands on the steering wheel. No.
He thought he could bolt, but the officer's cruiser was the trap he didn't see coming. 1 second of panic, and now he's boxed in with nowhere to run.
Hey, move that car. Hey,
one door closes, they slam the other shut too. That gap in the back? Gone. He's now sealed tighter than a vault, and the pressure's building. Even boxed in and blocked tight, this guy's mindset is, I'm still gonna try it. And just when you think they've got him pinned for good, he snakes through the gap like it's nothing, and takes off like he's in a Fast and Furious audition. No time to breathe. The suspect bolts, and the squad scrambles like someone hit fast forward. Gear in hand, doors flying, it's game on. Mid-chase chaos. Out of nowhere, a car spins in like it's auditioning for Fast and Furious, T-bones the suspect, and boom, instant roadblock. The cops don't waste a second.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Oh, he ejected!
They rush up with weapons drawn, barking command, only to find the car completely empty. The suspect Houdini'd his way out mid-crash.
Hey, Edward 2. We're gonna be southbound 270 right before.
Slow down.
He crashed on 270.
Turns out the suspect didn't make it far. He was lying motionless in the middle of the road, ejected and unconscious. By the time officers reached him, it was already over.
I don't need to be our driver, but I don't want to do it. I would put out a 30 yield. It's raining, we're not going to go in pursuit.
On February 20th, 2024, a Toyota Camry cruising without headlights catches a West Valley Patrol unit's attention. But when they try pulling him over, the driver ghosts them, and suddenly it's lights out, full throttle.
Alright, going on, not going in pursuit, it's raining, 30 year suspect, let's see which way they go on the clock.
The storm's rolling in, roads are slick, and this Camry's flying blind with no headlights. Cops know better. They back off, watching from a distance. One wrong move, and it's carnage. No sirens, no pips, just pure recklessness. The Camry loses grip, slams straight into a pole, and within seconds, it's a fireball. Who needs a pursuit when the suspect self-destructs?
1039, this was related to our traffic stop. When we let them up, they took off. We were putting out info on failure to yield. They TC'd.
By the time officers pull up behind the wreck, it's already an inferno. The car's mangled, flames are raging, and all they can do now is watch the disaster they never even chased.
Fuck! Hey, get out! Get out! Here! This way! Get out!
With flames licking at the doors, officers smash windows, deflate airbags, and do everything they can to pull the victims out. It's a race against fire, and every second is burning fast.
Here. Okay. Hey, we're gonna move you up. Let's get away from the car. Are you able to? Hold on, let's go.
They manage to pull two out. The driver's leg is shattered, and the other is barely breathing. But what happens next? Flip the whole script.
Is someone else in the car? Fuck!
That horrible confession made the officer freeze in his shoes. One moment he's catching his breath, the next he's charging back toward a fireball with nothing but a red can and raw panic. But the flames weren't waiting on heroics. The third was already gone. At the end of it all, some ran, some crashed. Some never got a second chance. From fiery wrecks to heart-pounding pursuits, these weren't just chases. They were moments where seconds decided lives. And in the chaos, one thing was clear. No one's ever really in control when the sirens start screaming. Now, which part of those moments shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments below.